Today for Devotions with Daniella, we are reading from the second book of Daniella, and we are going to let the Spirit guide us to somewhere in the last chapter, because that's what we're practicing for. Boom. We all need groups. Our ancestors learned many thousands of years ago that forming groups enhanced their survival. Before we had language, fire, or shelter, we had each other. Alone, a human was vulnerable, slow, soft, clawless. But together, we were powerful. We hunted cooperatively, protected one another, and passed down crucial knowledge. According to the Smithsonian's Human Origins Project, the emergence of complex social behavior was one of the key factors that distinguished early humans from other primates. Over time, our bodies evolved to reflect this interdependence. According to Dr. Stephen Porges, creator of polyvagal theory, our nervous systems developed in the company of others. We are literally wired for connection. From birth, we scan for eyes, faces, and emotional cues. Human infants, unlike many animals, are profoundly dependent, not only for physical survival, but for emotional and neurological development. Through attuned caregiving, mutual gaze, soothing vocal tones, gentle touch, infants learn to manage stress, develop trust, and form a blueprint for future relationships, a process known as co-regulation. As we grow, these early patterns of co-regulation extend outward into families, communities, and social groups. Systems like the vagus nerve, mirror neurons enable empathy, attunement, and synchronization with those around us, embedding our need for connection into our very biology. Humans need groups because we evolved as fundamentally social creatures. Our survival from the earliest stages of human evolution depended on cooperation, shared resources, and collective protection. Living in groups allowed early humans to hunt more effectively, care for children communally, and defend against predators or rival tribes. The evolutionary pressure shaped not only our behaviors, but also our brains. We developed complex social cognition, emotional attunement, and language to navigate group life. Belonging to a group was quite literally a matter of life or death. Those who were excluded or exiled faced a much higher risk of dying. But our need for connection goes beyond biology. Psychologically, we seek bonds that help us feel seen, safe, and grounded. Social ties regulate our stress, shape our identity, and help make sense of the world. Groups offer belonging, structure, and shared meaning, all essential for emotional well-being. Even in modern life, where survival no longer hinges on the tribe, the drive to connect persists. So we're drawn to religious communities, workplaces, fandoms, and movements. When healthy, these groups provide support, motivation, and a buffer against loneliness. Research backs this up. Scholars have consistently found that strong social bonds are linked to better physical health, longer life expectancy, improved emotional well-being, and greater resilience in the face of adversity. Belonging isn't just comfort, it's a core psychological need that shapes our development and protects our mental and physical health. In other words, we don't just like being in groups, we need them. We didn't develop language only to share food or warn about predators. We used it to create stories, myths, rituals, and rules. We encoded our behaviors and beliefs into culture, and those cultures became systems, far more powerful than any individual. From tribes to towns, religions to corporations, from Girl Scout troops to multi-billion-dollar fan empires, we built society out of stories we all agreed to believe. Because that's what a group is at its core. Humans with a shared belief, a mutual performance, a pact. And when it's good, it's magic. Whether it's a fandom, a workplace, a book club, a team, a marriage, a found family, or a political cause, being part of something bigger than yourself can be profoundly fulfilling. It taps into 3 key psychological needs: feeling connected, being accepted, and being seen or validated. The group reflects you back to yourself, but shinier. It tells you you're one of us. You matter. You are home. You can get copies of Uncultured linked in the bio or attached here. Sorry, Culting of America, the new baby. I'm sorry I called you Uncultured. It will happen again. It will, I promise.